Now we're going to go back into our latex areas on the face. We're going to go back in with some red makeup. And what I suggest here is just to kind of put this, keep it in the latex. This is not a dripping wound. This is not a recently deceased person. Actually, it's somebody who's recently come back to life. And you want to kind of put it just in the center. Basically, what the latex has done is it's built up a big gouged wound. In this case, actually, the body's been stitched back together. And we want to have some red at the center of it because the stitching, this is not a nice cosmetic job. This is somebody working, well, come on, Frankenstein himself was not necessarily the most sane of individuals. So, and as you're going through, you don't always have to have a really bright dollop of red paint. Actually, I find you start off bright and then taper it to more faded red, which is going to mix in more with the green and even some of the black, and it ends up with more of a realistic flare. You don't want everything to be bright red, otherwise it's going to kind of take away from the overall effect. So you want some darker areas going throughout the lacerations on the face.